Dogo App Review. Is it worth it? So Dogo is a popular AI-powered dog training app that promises structured training lessons, built-in clicker and whistles, video guidance, and real-time trainer feedback. But does it deliver real-time and real value? So, what people love about Dogo is it is highly effective for many owners. It also has a step-by-step lessons and progress tracking. It also offers engaging features and trainer support, and it's also highly rated in the app stores. However, it comes with potential drawbacks. It has subscription required for full features. It also has some mixed user experiences with access, and they have a training methodology concern. And they also have app limitations, which includes limited flexibility with notifications, sync issues for multiple users. So overall, is it worth it? Well, yes. If you're a busy pet parent seeking an effective, structured, and supported approach to training their dog at home, Dogo is a smart, engaging solution. It offers a wealth of training content, tools, and a user community that many find both helpful and motivating. However, there may be some drawbacks to consider.